Why a knife with a story beats a mint-in-box shelf sitter any day. A mint-in-box knife? Sure, it's clean, untouched, safe. But a knife with a story? That blade lived. It rode in pockets, cut rope, skinned game. Maybe it lit fires in the rain or got passed down from father to son. It's got scratches, dings, and just the right amount of wear. And every mark means something. That mint knife might be perfect, but the knife with a story is real. It's seen work, it's seen life, maybe even war, or the inside of a tackle box in 1962. It's got sweat in the leather, grit in the joints, and maybe even a name scratched into the bolster. You don't just collect it, you connect to it. A story gives a knife soul, and when you're a collector like you, Kevin, the knife doctor, you're not just saving steel, you're saving the lives of old knives because those stories deserve to be told.